Welcome, Generation X TikTokers, Generation X crew. Yeah, no, little story. Back in the 70s and 80s, when we were growing up in middle school and high school, the kids of today, Generation Z, do not understand what we went through when all these cool rock and roll bands started singing in the United States. AC/DC being one of them. They started out in Sydney, Australia in 1973, and then they started playing in concerts in the United States. But would our parents allow us to go and watch them? No. Would our parents allow us to buy a concert t-shirt or a t-shirt from a local department store in the mall to wear to high school? No. Why? Because Black Sabbath, Ozzy Osbourne, Alice Cooper, Kiss, AC/DC, Scorpions, they were evil, satanic men. Yep, that's what we were told. So we could not wear any of the rock and roll paraphernalia. But guess what? You have the best grandparents of today, Gen Z, because we will let you listen to this badass rock and roll AC/DC band. We will decorate your bedroom with AC/DC paraphernalia. So without further ado, let's rock and roll our way into this DIY project and out into Halloween 2023 to Gen Z, my granddaughter, legacy. Yeah, baby.